It's very much based on the clinical data. How is the patient benefiting it? And for somebody who's been in the industry a long time, I like where we're at as an industry and where it's very patient focused versus being focused on what's in it for the physician, what's in it for the manufacturer.
Tell me a little bit about it. What made you want to get into the industry? Talk to us maybe a little bit about your journey. I'm sure a lot of people are curious to just kind of hear how it all happened for you. What got you started as a rep in the industry?
I was originally going to go into medicine, and my father had a stroke my
Oh, wow.
senior year in college, and it caused me to reevaluate a lot of things. And at first, I was like, I'll just put off going to med school. But I was working, and I was working in the medical industry and had an opportunity to interview and ultimately get into pharmaceuticals. What I saw was it was a way for me to take my passion for science and for medicine and for helping people, but direct it into another way.
Right.
And I've been really fortunate in both on the sell side and on the market access side to be associated with products that truly do change people's lives. Earlier on, when I was on the sales side, I was with Genentech, and we were talking about stroke treatment at a time when very few people were. We were talking about the use of TPA in stroke,
Yep.
and it really transformed stroke care in this country. And that was very personal to me because I remember getting that phone call as a senior in college that my father had had this huge stroke and being able to then be part of improving stroke care for others was really important. And then as I moved on and had the opportunity then to transition on to the market access side, I was able to, in other ways, allow for patients to get access to products that help them. My son is a severe asthmatic. I saw firsthand the power of biologics to improve his way of life. When he was in elementary school, there were times that he was out of school for months at a time and had to be
Wow.
homeschooled because he was going from, one horrible event to the other. But biologics changed his life. He was able to be active in soccer. He was able to be active in scouts. He was an Eagle Scout.